Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to run Elasticsearch and Kibana with Docker. For that, we're going to follow these steps. Create a Docker network for our services, run Elasticsearch, run Kibana, and finally test Kibana. We're going to create a Docker network for our services with this command. The name of this network is going to be Elastic. Let's do it. And that's it. We can go to the following step. For Elasticsearch, we're going to need two commands. The first one to get the Elasticsearch image from the repository, and the second one to run the container. We see in the last command that we give a name to the container, we specify the network we created, the ports for the container, the discovery type, and the image. Let's do it. So first, we get the image. It's going to take a couple of minutes. All right, and now we run the container. All right, our Elasticsearch container is running. To verify Elasticsearch is running, we can open the browser and go to the localhost 92.0.0 address, and we check the HTTP answer from Elasticsearch. And we see it's working fine. Again, we're going to need two commands. The first one to get the Kibana image from the Docker repository, and a second one to run the container. One additional thing we specify in the second command is the Elasticsearch host URL, so that Kibana knows where it is. First, let's verify our running containers. So normally we have the one from Elasticsearch. That's it. So now let's get the Kibana image. It's going to take a couple of minutes. All right, we have the Kibana image. Now let's run the Kibana container. This is the last step before we can use Elasticsearch and Kibana, and it's gonna take a couple of seconds. Let's see. Okay, now we see it's running at 00005601, which is mapped to localhost. Finally, we can test Kibana by going to this URL. Let's see. We see it's already loading, and everything is working just fine. So after a couple of minutes and some commands, we can start working with Elasticsearch and Kibana. Alright, thank you for watching this video.